Hello, good afternoon students. Jai Sanskar. Now we reach the fourth point of our lesson number 14, water. Let's read and understand. In our first video, we just get idea that where we use water. In second video, we just get idea that from where do we get water. And in a third, just recently video, we just learned about the water cycle. And now we are going to learn in our fourth point that how the water comes back to the ocean. Let's read and understand what happened to the water that rain and show bring to the different regions of the earth. Snow bring to the different regions of the earth. See, you just have already done in a previous video that what happened, the water gets evaporated, oceanic water gets evaporated, and it just goes higher and higher, and then it condenses, it's cool down, it become cool down, and again it rains in the again it just showers the earth in the form of rains and sometimes in the form of snow at some places. So what happened to that snow and water that is fall down again to the earth? Almost all the surface are above the level of ocean. Most of the water that falls on the land as it is rain and snow sooner or later goes back to the oceans. This happens in many ways. Most of the time it again back to the ocean. Suppose that the rain falls down, it just converted into the river, and all the rivers finally meets to the ocean. So directly or indirectly it reached to the ocean again. Snow is mountains melt into the water. This water flows down to the mountain in the form of stream and rivers, and some of the water that falls on the land as rain is also flow in the form of the river and stream. Most of the rivers covers long distance on the land and ultimately fall into the sea or the ocean. However, water of the some river flows into the lake. જે સ્નો છે જે માઉન્ટેનની ઉપર છે ઇટ ગેટ મેલ્ટેડ એ પીગળી જાય છે and it falls on the form of the stream or it becomes a the river, and ultimately the river and the stream finally meet to the ocean or a sea. However, there are some rivers which meet to the lakes. The rainwater also fills up the lake and ponds. A part of the rainwater gets absorbed by the ground and seems to disappear in a soil. Some of this water is brought back to air and process of the evaporation and transpiration. છતાં બી એવું બની શકે કે લેક અને રિવર વોટરમાં પણ ઇવોપોરેશન થાય and it just go up and then it becomes transparent. The rest is shipped into the ground. Most of this water become available to us as a groundwater. बाकी अमुक तो जे the rain falls on the ground and the soil absorb the water and it just stored into the ground and we just get it as a groundwater. Open well are fed by the groundwater. Groundwater is the source for the many lake as well. Many lake માં પણ groundwater નો use થાય છે. It is also this groundwater which drawn by the hand pump or a tube well. You already know about the hand pump and a tube well. બધાયના ઘરે મોટર હશે જ. That are used in a area. The deeper we need to dig to find this groundwater, the loss in the level of a ground or a water due to overuse is a worrisome. See, if the scarcity happen, જો પાણીની અછત સર્જાય અને તમે લોકોએ ગ્રાઉન્ડ વોટરને ડીપ સુધી ખોદી નાખેલું હોય and you have recklessly using water, તમે મન ફાવે વોટરનો યુઝ કરો છો, one time the groundwater becomes down and the scarcity of water gets created. So it is like a worrisome એટલે ચિંતાનો વિષય છે. Paheli wants to share a concern with you. In these areas where the land has a little or no vegetation, the rainwater flows away quickly. Flowering rainwater also takes the top layer of the soil away with it. Do you know that there is a plant that stops soil from washed away and stop water from flowing away. પ્લાન્ટ જ છે કે જેના રૂટ વરસાદ પડે ત્યારે પાણીને જકડી રાખે છે અને જેનાથી જમીનનું ધોવાણ અને વોટરનું વહેવું પણ અટકાવી શકાય છે. સો પહેલી એ બાબતમાં વરી કરતી હતી કે જ્યાં પ્લાન્ટ છે જ નહીં ત્યાં શું થતું હશે. There are few areas where most of the land is covered with the concrete. This reduces the seepage of the rainwater into the ground, which ultimately affect the availability of groundwater. કોઈ જગ્યા તો એવી છે કે જ્યાં સંપૂર્ણ કોન્ક્રીટ લગાડી દેવામાં આવી છે, એન્ડ ડ્યુ ટુ ધીસ ધ ગ્રાઉન્ડ વોટર જનરેશન કેન નોટ બી પોસિબલ એન્ડ water of scarcity is happened. We now know that the water brought back to the surface of the earth by rain, hail and snow goes back to the ocean. Now we know that the water falls in the form of rain or snow or hail and it goes back to the ocean. Thus, water from all the ocean and the surface of the earth goes into the air as vapor. અને એ પછી પાછી હીટના કારણે વેપર બની જાય છે એની સોર્સિસથી. Returns as a rain, hail, snow and finally goes back to the ocean. Again it repeating that cycle. The circulation of water in this manner is known as the water cycle. This circulation of water between the ocean and the land in the continuous process, this mountain supply of water on the land. પહેલાં ઓશિનનું પાણી ઇવોપરેટ થઈ અને ઉપર જાય છે, ઉપર જઈને ક્લાઉડ બને છે, ક્લાઉડ પાછો પીગળે છે ડ્યુ ટુ ધ હીટ ઓફ ધ રેન, હીટ ઓફ ધ સન, એન્ડ ઇટ કમ્સ બેક ઇન ફોર્મ ઓફ રેન, હેલ એન્ડ સ્નો, which is just shower into the land, and that land river is created, lake is created, all the river and lake finally made to the ocean. This way the cycle is continuously working on and the water is finally made to the ocean. Again it's evaporated from the ocean and just complete that cycle. So here the 14.4 is over.